Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and in this video I'm going to be giving you some gift ideas for your high school graduate. So I'm really excited to share these ideas with you all because I really love to give and receive awesome and meaningful gifts. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So obviously, naturally, the first gift idea I have for high school graduates is college gear. And I know this might seem obvious to get someone their college gear if they're going to college because everyone loves that. But if you didn't know, besides just like sweatshirts and stuff, a lot of bookstores and Etsy shops make jewelry. So like I have on this really cute high point necklace. I also have this high point bracelet. So different things like that are really awesome because they are like customizable pieces and not everyone always has them because you can't get them off of different websites. And I know if they make High Point, they definitely make some of the bigger schools on these websites. So I will link those all below. And I also wanted to put this in because beyond just getting someone different things from their school, I know me and my best friends, when we all went to school, got each other the sweatshirts from our respective schools, if that makes sense. So like I got my two best friends High Point sweatshirts and they got me sweatshirts that were from their schools. So if you feel like your graduate is getting so much stuff from their school, get them something from yours. It's really awesome and a great conversation piece when you're starting out in college. The second gift idea I have for high school graduates is dorm decor. So like I said in my college gift idea video, if you don't know the vibe that they're going for with their new place and space, don't try to make something like so crazy for them. What I did when I graduated from high school is I used the first initial of their name. I got a wooden letter and I Mod Podged different pictures of us on it in black and white. So it all looked nice and cohesive, and no matter what they changed their room theme to, they could always hang it because it just went with the vibes. So really love gifts like that. And any different kind of collage piece. Shutterfly has a ton of different options for different picture gifts and stuff like that. But always cute, meaningful, and will give them a little comfort of home when they are off away at school. My third gift idea that I have for high school graduates is some sort of duffel bag or travel bag. And this might seem obvious as well, but if you did not think of it, it is really awesome to have a new and cute one because a lot of college students go travel home and visit their friends a lot at their schools their freshman year. So it's really awesome to have a really cute bag to take with you to do that. And you know, if they have a bag, maybe like a travel makeup thing or a travel jewelry organizer, because I don't think you realize, even if you are like going to school an hour away from home, how much stuff you actually will bring home with you. So if your graduate does not have a nice one of those, or you just think they might need a new one, that is a really great idea that can often be overlooked or really not thought of. So my next gift idea that was one of my favorite college items is a lap desk. And I've talked about this before in my other videos, but I know a lot of college students think they'll spend a lot of time studying in libraries and traditional places like that. But I do know I spend a lot of time studying and doing work right on my bed. And I know desks in college often get used as makeup stands and like different things like that. TV trays to eat on, like, you know, it happens. So having a little lap desk to do your work on, this sounds so bad. Don't always take my advice, but like your graduate, your college student probably will use a lap desk. So it's really awesome to have. I loved mine. I used it all 4 years. They have them on Pottery Barn. They have them on Amazon. You can customize a lot of them. I will link so many below, but just a really great thing to have. And you can put a lot of stuff in there. So if you get like something you want to do more, you can put some like stationery in there, pens, pencils, note cards, postcards, anything you want in there to make it a little bit bigger of a gift if you wanted to do that. But some of them actually can be pricey, so I'll put different variations of those below, but really cute gift and will be used a ton. Speaking of gifts that will also be used a ton is slippers. College literally sucks without slippers. I've said this one before too, but your college student graduate needs a cute pair of slippers. You think you want to wear them around. You wear them to study, you will wear them to eat, you will wear them hopefully not to class, but it happens. But you know, it is the best footwear to have at school, and I cannot stress that enough. And also around your dorm, duh. But that, and if you want to add to that, a nice cute robe will also be greatly used and appreciated. So just anything comfy, cozy, fun like that will be used a ton by your high school student when they move on to college. Also, speaking of fun, fuzzy, cute things, throw blankets are another thing that you definitely will want to have a couple of when you go to college, because whether you need it or if you just have friends coming from their rooms over to your room, it's always nice to have throw blankets around, especially if you don't have control to your thermostat in your dorm yourself. So just comfy, cute things like that, and you can get one obviously that goes with the vibe of their room, or I know there's a lot that can be made out of t-shirts from high school things. If you can get a hold of theirs, it's really meaningful. Also, Shutterfly does some picture ones of those. So just really great, cute gifts to have and things that you will use a lot in college. I'm actually like rolling through these pretty fast. So the next gift idea I have for high school graduates is gift cards, and that sounds so lame, but they will be so greatly appreciated. If you need help with where they will probably want to shop, I think Bed Bath & Beyond is super helpful, especially when you're getting stuff for your college dorm room, because they have a ton of it. Target, always. Amazon, we all know that one. And this one is sometimes overlooked, but like gas gift cards are super helpful, especially with driving, even between like school and home if they're allowed to have their car, or finding one that's like right outside their school just when they're going places with their friends. Honestly, the amount I drove when I was in college versus what I drove in high school was very, very different. So having gift cards like that is super helpful. And I know gift cards seem like a lame gift, but I promise they will be thanking you so much when they need it, and have a nice gift card to use to pay for whatever that item may be. My next gift idea for you guys is anything for your new college freshmen to put their key on. So when I was a college student 11 days ago, I wore my key on this bracelet. Super easy, super convenient, loved it, and thought it was really great. I have a ton of these linked to my Amazon storefront for you guys because so many people really love that idea. But also, one of my best friends got me these really cute ones when I graduated from high school, of a New York and a North Carolina. That would have worked great for my key because I live in New York and was going to North Carolina. So that was a really great idea. Another one of my friends for my college graduation got me like a big key ring with a tassel, super cute. So just any way to carry their new key, because college students lose their keys all the time and it really stinks. So having a cute thing that's easy and convenient is super helpful. So definitely will be greatly used and appreciated. I keep using the same adjectives, but they really are. So the last gift idea that I had that I also showed you in my college graduation video is a scrapbook. So if you did not already see this, my big made me this. My picture's on the front of it, and a picture of us on a Polaroid was taken. So whatever is meaningful to you and your friend is really awesome. But she made pages that included our freshman year pictures, sophomore year pictures, junior and senior year. So it was really, really meaningful, and I could really look back on all of my experiences. So for your high school graduate, it's a really great conversation piece to have in their room and show their friends a little bit of their past when they come over, or just when they're feeling a little homesick, to look at their friends and family and be really happy and comforted by that. So I love scrapbooks. Shutterfly has a ton of them. Also, if you are really creative and can make your own, printing pictures and stickers is a really great way so you can keep adding to those memories. But I just love to be able to look through all my memories really quickly, and I know we all have cell phones, but it's not the same and as meaningful as it is in a book. And I also mentioned in my other video that my big put in a note from her, and my great grandbig and my grandbig, sorry if you are not familiar with sorority lingo, my like sorority family. Anyways, if you had notes put in from like your parents or grandparents and stuff like that, it's really great in a scrapbook. But that is it for this gift ideas for high school graduates in 2021. I hope they're really helpful and I hope your graduate really loves these custom gift ideas. So that is it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.